Hello kids, welcome to Jashwin TV. Let's learn O letter vocabulary. O for owl. O-W-L. Owl. Owl. O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Orange. O for olive. O-L-I-V-E. Olive. Olive. O for oil. O-I-L. Oil. Oil. O for ox. O-X. Ox. Ox. O for oar. O-A-R. Oar. Oar. O for oak. O-A-K. Oak. Oak. O for oats. O-A-T-S. Oats. Oats. O for old. O-L-D. Old. Old. O for oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. Oval. O for onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Onion. O for open. O-P-E-N. Open. Open. O for oven. O-V-E-N. Oven. Oven. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Jashwin TV.